Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G51, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off location of this smartphone. First of all, go into Tab menu. Now you need to look for location icon and tap on it. If you can't find it over here, you need to tap on this pen icon at the bottom left corner. Then look for it here, hold it and drag it to the top. When you're ready, let go and go back. Now, as you can see, I have my icon over here, so I can click on it. Then select Close in the pop-up and go back into Tab menu. As you can see, location is now off, but you can always turn it back on by tapping on the same icon. You can also go into device settings, scroll down, select location here and manage it by tapping on the switcher next to use location feature. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!